So let us come to the third type of tissue, that is the muscular tissue. The muscular tissues are mesodermal in origin, and the property of the muscular tissue is it can undergo contraction and relaxation. Now, depending upon their location, कि वो लोग कहाँ पे located in the body, we can classify them as skeletal when they are connected to the bones. Within the heart, they are called cardiac muscles. In the internal organs, it is called the smooth muscle. The skeletal muscles, depending upon their appearance, कैसे दिखते हैं, इनको कहा जाता है striated. और स्मूथ को, depending upon their appearance, they are smooth, but depending upon their location, they are called as visceral muscles. Okay, so just briefly, according to their location, it is skeletal, cardiac, and visceral. And depending upon their appearance, the skeletal is called as striated, and the visceral is called smooth. Depending upon the appearance, even the cardiac has got striations. So जो skeletal muscles होते हैं, जो first type हमने mention किया, उसके बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए that the skeletal muscles, if you look at their cells, these cells are called, yes, you're right, the cells are called muscle fibers. As the diagram shows, they're unbranched, okay, and they're multinucleated. So they're not, can make this correction over here. It's a multinucleate condition. As you know, it is called sync site here. So यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे न्यूक्लियाई हैं, okay, peripheral में. They're directly controlled by your central nervous system. So they're voluntary muscles. And they help in movement, locomotion, maintaining your body posture, etc. If you look at the cardiac muscle next, तो अपीयरेंस के हिसाब से ये कैसा है, स्ट्राइटेड है, हाईली ब्रांच्ड है. Okay, if you look at the entire tissue, it is multinucleated, but single cell is uninucleated. इनका contraction relaxation is under the control of our autonomous nervous system. So voluntarily हम लोग इसको control नहीं कर सकते, so it's involuntary है ये. And between two cardiac cells, you can see this. It is called as the intercalated disc. It helps in quick communication between the two cardiac cells. And cardiac muscles are found only in the heart. The third type, that is the smooth muscles. These smooth muscles, if you look at these cells, the muscle fibers, they're elongated, but they're tapering towards both the end. और उसको हम बोलते हैं स्पिंडल शेप्ड स्ट्रक्चर. नॉन स्ट्राइटेड है, अनब्रांच है, इनवॉलंटरी है इनका मूवमेंट, और ये आपके इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स में पाए जाएंगे, जैसे कि ब्लड वेसल्स हो गया, लंग्स हो गए, स्टमक है, यूरिनरी ब्लैडर है. These all places show the presence of smooth muscles. Further detail we cover the internal structure of the skeletal muscle, how the muscle undergoes contraction in the chapter skeletal locomotion. So for animal tissues, this is enough for your synopsis. The third type, the fourth type, sorry, that is a neural tissue. It's a neural tissue which is made up of two types of cells, as we have written over here. They are the neurons, which are the structural and functional units of the nervous system, and the supportive cells, which are called as neuroglial cells. Okay, the neurons are called structural and functional unit of the nervous system. जैसे कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की वायर है जिसके थ्रू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्लो होते हैं और उसको हम लोग कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वैसे न्यूरॉन के पास एक वायर है जिसका नाम है एक्सॉन, जिसके थ्रू इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सिग्नल्स पास होते हैं जिसको हम कहते हैं नर्व इम्पल्सेस। और as the neuron can carry the nerve impulses, they are called as the excitable cells. लेकिन इनको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, इनको सपोर्ट देने के लिए जो सेल्स हैं उनको कहते हैं न्यूरोग्लियल सेल्स। और हमेशा ध्यान में रखिए कि न्यूरोग्लियल cells are much more than the neurons. That is why the NCERT says that the neuroglia make one half, more than one half, make the correction, make more than one of the nervous tissue. The structure of the neuron, the axon, dendron, cytons, is dealt in the chapter Neural Control and Coordination. So, this is a brief and a quick revision, a synopsis for your entire topic, animal tissues, which is a part of structural organization in animals.